Kerana ini thang labang sekar juga thang alam ini thani karjo pon kuat. Akan si ini arlo sopi ini kategori ini arong iki athe labang sopir thialam arlo sugum bang si ari polate thang ta kichun asaya be athe arlo sopi mardong si ari polate tirthe tas moni chanche. Ili dipher ke tha dong si age polotang te ili tum party pinding sumpa sitame chanche kaben ili sitame ili ning arong ik pingli no nim so bimar bagati buda madhe athe ili sitame pining me lapusan sibati long sitame ili dan sibati tumang becho
very general. Right now it's very trending. So the current news which is trending in India and all over the world is who is the current Miss Universe of 2021. The current Miss Universe.
am I audible to you Miss Arjula question to you is what do you want to contribute to the society if you win this title tonight? Do you want me to repeat the question?
No, thank you, Miss.
Okay.
I'll let you answer now. Okay. If I win the title tonight, then I would like to contribute the new generation and thought about how much we struggle and I obviously wish the young women to grow up again. That's all. Thank you, Miss.
Good evening, miss. Can I know your number? Okay. So can you see me? Okay. So my question for you tonight is, what are the qualities a woman should have in order to win a pageant contest? Can you tell me? Idol di bulote ko pipia qualities lo nanginya.
My answer is
Okay. Thank you.
I love your gown.
Thank you.
I think you are beautiful in it. So I want to ask a very simple question. In which year did the first Miss Caribbean Long was held? Osoning tanong lo, Miss Caribbean Long Kachipati.
2016.
2016? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So, actually we are here. We are this side. Okay, so contestant number 40. My question to you is, can you tell me, like in life, life is easier for a man or for woman? Thank you so much for a wonderful question, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat one more time?
Lifelong, mati kaya long ke, so tum isum mai lo.
Is life easier for men or for women? A life along the Arlo Sugong Hello Kisung Nai.
三姐老边姐。Alo tutung. Lapen alo tutung han lo mane menyet Tuhan kahon thế. Nào bên kia, memory cái chữ lang, số 2 thân cái chữ lang con. Thank you so much.
Number 8.
Okay, you're absolutely rocking in this class.
Thank you so much.
So, my question to you is, what is the most important part in this beauty pageant for you, according to you?
For me, it's very important because in beauty business, I have. Can I stay in Kirby?
Yeah, sure, you can. Please carry on.
Beauty business really fun, बहुत important pick. अथे नीली लदा कच्चेपा उन्जी फान पिनंग आन चेपा दुखलो लपेन नीली पाई नीली पो ता पिनंग आन नीली फान nang supportun bonds dami alang litum sita pinang ana aduk polo athema financial hin nili asap so big chat lapen nili kachipatu ka join nili pai nili po na bor ipi na join ni si nili nom an nang chupla an mana ang deng nang palitun no plus si don't see pinang we aso appreciation high bonded present nili pai nili po ani wrong picture aso fancy nili phan aso beauty pageant important pic lapen nili akang tu yang deng ata nili chapati bon bom ji pusi nili han thank you so much.
How are you doing?
Kamera lang lang lek pila ta.
So I'm going to ask you a diplomatic question. Who do you think is more important to the world, man or woman? And tell me why, please.
Well, I think that men and women are both important.
How? Why?
Because we
Amen.
because if when like men also do their part and even women do their part, each and everyone do their own part. Like we are part of like our human life. When man is important, women also important.
Don't
Thank you.
Thank
you very much.
Correct.
You're looking
Aku
very
dulu.
beautiful tonight.
Thank you so much.
Can you see me? I'm here. Okay. Can you tell me, when do you think a girl become a woman? When do you think a girl becomes a woman?
Thank you, sir, for this question. So, the answer of this question is the girl, when she knows that
Yeah. Responsibilities and
Good name, please.
My name is Vittalong Biti.
Very nice name. So, my question to you is, what is more important to you, your boyfriend or your family? And why? And why?
For me, my mom and my family is most important in my life because they brought me up and they gave me a good life. Thank you.
Very nice answer. Thank you so much, contestant number 11.
thank you.